So Michael, we have FiDA, PSD3 coming, Open Finance regulation. So what is your advice around fintech and financial institutions needing to get ready for these changes?
Yeah, I think that's really the key question at this moment. And for me, it has to be clear that it's an ecosystem play. It can't just be one player that adapts, but all have to work together. So banks and fintechs and regulators and service providers, and above all, not to see it as a compliance exercise. I think the only way to succeed in this is if you look at this as an opportunity. It is a way of putting apps on top of a bank. So suddenly you don't only get what you have in your bank, you suddenly get new lending and new innovation and new inclusion and better onboarding and 100 other things which you didn't have before. And that's where the banks can really win. That's how they can monetize this development. And that obviously is the way to go, rather than ticking boxes and being a compliance exercise, which just causes costs.
You're right. And you mentioned ecosystem, right? And I think this is something we're doing for the ecosystem. And Mastercard has always been leveraging a partnership model. The collaborative mindset is important. So we are keen on collaborating with the industry to make sure we're shaping and we're taking most of the advantage of this regulation. We have a deep expertise in tech, in data, and in payment across all the rails. We have a consultancy practice that can help and guide strategically some of those fintech and financial institutions. And then I would say also, as FiDA and PSD3 have not completely landed, it's a chance for us, like the rest of the industry, to make sure we can influence it, to make it more pragmatic and relevant for the industry, and make sure we extract most of the value out of it.
That's very impressive. And also the fact that Mastercard is actually looking beyond cards, because some people might say this might actually cannibalize your traditional card business. It's very forward thinking of you to say, no, this is a new way of doing things, and we support that too.
Exactly. Supporting payments across all the rails.